push it to the limit, 'cause we're in.
Alright, this concept is finding limits numerically. In the last video we talked about finding limits graphically. This is just another way to do it. Alright, so here's a graph for the function, the limit as x approaches 0. We're going to try to find the limit as x approaches 0 of the graph x over the square root of x plus 1 minus 1. And it's really hard to tell what the limit would be just by looking at the graph because it's somewhere in between like 1 and 2, like we can't really tell. And so this is just another way to find it. Say this is x approaches c, where c is any constant number. In this case it's 0. You want to plug in the decimals that are as close to that number c, 0, as possible, coming from the left and coming from the right. So since our c in this case is 0, we're going to plug in negative 0.01, and it gets closer, negative 0.001, and even closer, negative 0.0001, because there's an infinite amount of halves until you approach any number. And then coming from the right, we have 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001, and then you just plug those numbers into the equation and see what number is the same that each side's approaching. In this case, it's 2. So you can see with this little number graph that we set up that the limit as x approaches 0 for this function is 2.
Push it to the limit,